Let me get ready. Okay, gotta get ready. Here we go. Shibooba-doo-doo-doo, shibooba-doo-doo-doo, shibooba-doo-doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. That's really low. Oh, the weather outside is frosty. It's not winter. Let's just do it. When I paper scrapbook, I love to create stamped looks with rubber and acrylic stamps. But now, as a digital scrapbooker, I can still recreate those same looks, plus go even further. Like create a stamped look from the face of someone I love. Yeah. Here's one way, a quick way actually, to recreate the look. We'll be working in the Photoshop Elements editor for this particular tip. You can still do it in Photoshop. Just wanted to give my PSE people some love. Choose a photo of a subject that stands out from the background. If you have any of those infamous pictures we take of people in the bathroom, especially up against a white bathtub, that works really well. Because you want your foreground to be separated from your background as much as possible. Next, you'll want to convert this photo to black and white. In Photoshop Elements or Photoshop, there's a variety of ways to do that. But for my particular example, I'm going to duplicate my photo using shortcut keys Command-J on the Mac or Control-J on the PC. And then I'm going to go to Enhance, Convert to Black and White, and use what I would refer to as channels to adjust the tones. Typically, I find that if I increase my red values up to about 75, my greens to 25, and my blues to 0, then I get a very striking black and white. Then click OK. With our black and white converted, we're going to duplicate this again, shortcut keys Command-J on the Mac, Control-J on the PC, and then change this new duplicate layer to Hard Mix. So click on the normal blend mode and change it to Hard Mix blend mode. And done. We've created a really cool stamp. However, I like to add color to this stamped kind of look. So click on the Create New Fill or Adjustment Layer icon and select Gradient Map from the pop-up menu. Click on the Gradient Map Adjustment Layer editor bar to open the gradient editor and choose a gradient preset or determine your own color values. For our demonstration, I'm going to choose the violet-orange one, which immediately applies the dark or left-hand color to all of my blacks and shadows, and orange, the right-hand color, to all of my highlights. If you only wanted to see one particular color, let's say the violet, you could change the orange to a white. Now from here, you can go anywhere with this kind of stamped look. It's just the beginning. And that's it.